some updates coming in from the tragic incident that was reported from Andhra Pradesh yesterday. Now, in this case, viewers, a religious gathering turned into a nightmare at the Sri Venkateshwara Swami temple. This is where a massive stampede claimed at least 9 lives, including 8 women and 1 child, while leaving several others injured. Now, on an auspicious Ekadashi morning, what was meant to be a moment of devotion became a moment of panic as the crowd surged and chaos broke out inside the temple complex. Emergency teams and police soon rushed to the spot. The injured were taken to the nearby hospitals. But the visuals that have come out, in fact, from the temple premises show a chaotic scene with the devotees lying on the ground as others try to help them.
Kasibugga PS limits. Today one unfortunate incident happened where there are total 9 people have lost their lives, 8 female and 1 boy. So the incident was due to there was a queue line where entry and exit was same queue line was used, and that iron grill which was there, it got collapsed, and the height of that steps was around 7 feet. So the public fell from 7 feet to the ground. So because of that, this incident has happened. It's a private temple where a private person has constructed in his private land, and he hasn't taken any permissions also, and he hasn't informed about today's program to the local police also.
Now, Union Minister Ram Mohan Naidu along with State Minister Nara Lokesh, they both visited the hospital at Srikakulam to meet those who have been injured.
It's very unfair to say that government will close a temple. It is no. I absolutely agree. There is a panic. Certain rituals have to be done. Certain corrections have to be done. But temples never are shut. Unfortunate incident has happened. Proper pujas and all we will do. As far as the management of this particular temple is considered, that will be the collective decision of the cabinet. We will wait for the report to come. There is a 3-man committee that has been constituted. We will wait for the report to come, and based on that report, we will take further steps.
Very, very unfortunate and devastating incident that has happened in Srikakulam, Palasa Venkateshwara Swami Alayam. Today being an auspicious day, today is Ekadasi, that is why there has been a sudden surge of extra devotees coming and visiting the temple. Me, especially our leader Lokesh Anna and all the entire state administration, district administration, everyone, after knowing the incident, under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister, we have rushed to the site. And the priority for us has been to protect as many lives as possible, to give the best medical facilities and the medical help that is required. And it is very, very unfortunate that 9 people have lost their lives. And on further investigation is also going on right now. And the person who has built the temple, who is a 95-year-old Hari Mukunda Panda, and with a good intention, with a divine intention, he has built up the temple here, and he wanted the blessings of Lord Balaji to be available to people at large, especially in the Srikakulam district.
Now, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu also expressed a deep sorrow over the stampede at the temple and has ordered a thorough investigation into this very tragic incident. Now, calling the loss of lives very sad and heartbreaking, Naidu said that the organizers of the private temple failed to inform police or local officials about this event, and a large number of devotees are gathered without any proper arrangements at the temple. He also assured that the government is committed to preventing such tragedies and has directed officials to ensure proper medical care for those who have been injured.
Kasibugga town lo ఒక ప్రైవేటు వ్యక్తి వెంకటేశ్వర దేవాలయాన్ని కట్టాడు. అక్కడి నుంచి కార్తీక మాసం ఈరోజు చాలామంది అక్కడ దర్శనానికి వెళ్ళిపోయారు. కనీసం ఆయన చేసినప్పుడు పోలీసుకు కూడా చెప్పలేదు. చెప్పుంటే పోలీస్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ పెట్టి ఎక్కడికక్కడ కంట్రోల్ చేసేవారం. అది చేయని దానివల్ల 9 మంది తొక్కిడికి గురయ్యి చనిపోయే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చారు. 5 మందికి ఇంజరీస్ కూడా అయినాయి. ఇది చాలా బాధాకరం. నేను ప్రతి ఒక్క ప్రాణాన్ని కాపాడుకోవాలని అనేక ప్రయత్నాలు చేస్తూ ఉంటే కొంతమంది ప్రైవేటు వ్యక్తులు ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమాలు చేయడం చాలా బాధాకరం. దీన్ని నేను చాలా తీవ్రంగా ఖండిస్తున్నా. రాష్ట్రంలో అందరికి కూడా విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నా, మనకు మన ప్రాణం చాలా ముఖ్యం.
Now, Prime Minister Modi also took stock of the situation and expressed grief while offering condolences. He has also announced an ex gratia of rupees 2 lakh each for the next of kin of those who died and about 50,000 rupees for those who have been injured. Now, viewers, and notably, the Sri Venkateshwara Swami Temple is a private shrine and not under the Endowments Department. It was inaugurated only 4 months ago and the gathering took place without any government approval. In fact, the area where devotees had assembled was still under construction with only one entry and exit route. Panic broke out when the steel railings collapsed, triggering the stampede at the temple. Now, the political blame game has begun with regards to this incident. Former CM Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has slammed the government. He said that this is the first time, pointing to earlier stampedes which took place at Tirupati and Simachalam. He calls it repeated negligence, a failure to learn, failure to act, and also a failure to protect devotees.
Thousands of public, thousands of people, they have visited the Chinna Tirumala temple in Kasibugga. At this juncture, I would like to ask the government, what are the preventive aspects you have taken? What are the preventive measures you have taken? How many police personnel were deployed over there? All these issues are really matters. Whenever there are 30 to 50,000 people gathered in one particular place on this particular auspicious day, and even though the organizers of the temple, the management committee of the temple, they informed the government and informed the police in prayer, they have taken the permission in prayer. In spite of all these, no such preventive measures were taken.
Now, viewers, this is not an isolated tragedy. Temple stampedes are becoming frighteningly common across the country. In fact, this is the 5th major temple crush this year, where innocent devotees have lost their lives.
आज श्री कैकुलम स्थित वेंकटेश्वर स्वामी टेम्पल में जो भगदड़ हुई और उसमें जो श्रद्धालुओं की मौत हुई, वो बहुत ही दुखद घटना है। एकादशी के पुण्य तिथि पर अत्यधिक भीड़ होने के कारण, भगदड़ मचने के कारण ये दर्दनाक और दुखद हादसा हुआ। इस बारे में मैं कुछ जानकारी आपको देना चाहता हूं। यह एक प्राइवेट मंदिर था और ना ये एंडोमेंट डेवलपमेंट के अंडर में था। मंदिर की तरफ से कोई भी सरकार को सूचना नहीं दी गई थी और ना किसी प्रकार की पुलिस को सूचना दी गई थी कि यहां अत्यधिक भीड़ इकट्ठी होगी। मंदिर की तरफ से जहां भी ये अत्यधिक भीड़ इकट्ठी हुई है वो एरिया अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन था। श्री नारा लोकेश अभी तुरंत जानकारी के हिसाब से मालूम हुआ है कि वो मंदिर की तरफ प्रस्थान कर गए हैं, जिससे जो भी घायल हैं उनकी अधिक से अधिक सहायता की जा सके और उनका सही उपचार किया जा सके।
I'm deeply saddened and shocked by the tragic incident at the Sri Venkateshwara Swami Temple, Kasibugga in Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam district, where more than 9 innocent devotees lost their lives in a tragic stampede. Bharatiya Janata Party Andhra Pradesh extend our deep condolences to the family, and also our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has extended his deep condolences to the family and also announced 2 lakh rupees to each deceased family and 50,000 to the injured. We pray for their soul to reach Vaikuntha, and may injured people recover in a fast manner. We also acknowledge that the government is taking all necessary medical arrangements, and also they are doing their best. And at the same time, Bharatiya Janata Party Andhra Pradesh, we urge the state government to conduct immediate transparent inquiry and make sure that the responsible will be arrested, and let the government take its own actions on the responsible people.
25,000 के ऊपर लोग आए एकादशी के वास्ते, उसमें दुर्घटना हुआ। अब तक 12 लोग उनका जो भाग दौड़ में और ऊपर सीढ़ियों में चढ़ने से नीचे से गिरना, ये बड़ा दुर्घटना हुआ। इसके वास्ते आंध्र का सरकार सबको मरे वालों को एक्सग्रेशिया देना और वो मंदिर को परमानेंट ऐसा सोल्यूशन, कोई भगवान के पास वेंकटेश्वर स्वामी का आने वालों को आने वाले दिनों में कोई इंसिडेंट नहीं होना। दुर्घटना में जो मरे वालों को मेरा कंडोलेंस, और जो लोग मर गए उनको वो मारा लगे उनको बराबर का सरकार उनको भी एक्सग्रेशिया देना।
Though it is a private temple or Indo-West temple, it is the responsibility of the government police department to see that the proper preparation, arrangements, security to be provided. But it's a case where the police department was not informed, and there was no occasion or no expectation for the police to make security arrangements. Jagan Mohan Reddy, ex-chief minister, Sindhila Prazu, and my friend panelist are blaming the government that despite the information from the management to the police, security was not provided. It's totally incorrect. The temple management themselves said that they did not inform the police. So the government cannot be blamed for everything. But there will be certain things beyond the control of the government. And if the information was given to the police and they sought security, if the government failed in providing security, it's okay. Their allegations and criticism can be accepted.
We need to learn lessons. Only lessons every time what we are watching is they'll wash their hands by announcing ex gratia. Second thing, they doesn't bother. This is the first time I'm hearing a sound from our respective government. This is the private. What does it mean by? If somebody goes for a private place, it is not the government's responsibility to protect us, to give the basics. If the crowd gathering is such, the gentleman, what he's saying absolutely is right. Like it is the primary courtesy, the crowd management. Second part, management, everyone cannot do that. But as far as the ground reports from the respective intelligence, there's 20,000 plus people are gathering in one particular point. As Suresh sir said very clearly, we are not having any discipline at all. It is clearly knows for the 140 crores people. We doesn't have any discipline at all. If government's primary understanding should be very clear, when people who won't have discipline, how we need to give protection for them. If they have this sort of ideology, taking excuses instead of taking excuses like it's a private temple, people doesn't have any discipline. I am accepting. I don't have any discipline. How I need to be protected if I goes out?
Okay.
This needs to be corrected by the respective governments. Then only